Looking to make your home feel instantly cozier and more relaxing? These Amazon finds are all about comfort, from upgrading your downtime to making everyday moments feel better without any extra effort. Once you see how simple these upgrades are, you'll wonder how you lived without them. All products are linked in the description below. This isn't just a toy, it's a whole playground in one piece. This wooden climbing arch lets your toddler climb, rock, balance, and play in tons of different ways. Flip it over, and it becomes a soothing rocker that helps kids relax or gently move their bodies. Add the tabletop, and you've got a perfect spot for drawing, tracing, and creative play. It's sturdy, smooth, easy to assemble, and built to grow with your child's imagination. This is where your house finally learns how to relax. A lounging den turns any spare room into a comfort-first zone made for movie nights, reading, gaming, and doing absolutely nothing. You get deep seating, soft lighting, and flexible furniture that adapts to whatever you're in the mood for. It's designed to handle kids, pets, snacks, and real life without stress. If you want one place where everyone naturally gathers, this is it. Ironing doesn't have to feel like a workout. This digital steam press smooths clothes fast by pressing fabric evenly instead of chasing wrinkles back and forth. You choose the fabric setting, and it adjusts the heat so delicate pieces stay safe while thicker items get crisp. A steam burst adds moisture right where you need it, helping stubborn creases relax instantly. It heats up quickly, covers more surface at once, and makes laundry days feel way less annoying. This couch is a shapeshifter made for real life. During the day, you use it as a comfy floor sofa or lounge spot for watching shows or scrolling your phone. When guests stay over, you unfold it, and it instantly becomes a full sleeping space. The foam supports your body so you don't sink or feel the floor underneath. You can even remove and wash the cover, which makes everyday living way easier. This is what happens when comfort stops playing by the rules. This giant human dog bed lets you curl up, stretch out, and fully relax like your pet does every day. The raised edges wrap around you, giving your head, neck, and back a cozy, supported feel. Soft faux fur and thick foam help your body unwind and melt away stress fast. You can even share it with your pet and turn lounging into a whole new experience. Ever wish your wine could come with a password? This clever bottle lock seals the top and lets you set a code so only you can open it. You keep your wine fresh while also keeping curious kids, guests, or roommates out. There are no keys to lose. Just twist in your code and relax. It's a simple way to protect your favorite bottle and enjoy it on your own terms. This little tower lets your toddler feel tall enough to join the action. It safely lifts your child up so they can help in the kitchen, wash hands, or watch what you're doing. Flip it around, and it turns into a table and chair for drawing, snacks, or playtime. There's even a chalkboard built in so your kid can doodle while learning. It's sturdy, smooth, and designed to help your child feel confident and independent. This nightstand isn't just a table, it's a mini showpiece for your room. The top drawer spins 360 degrees, letting you grab what you need without moving around. A glass front lower cabinet keeps your stuff organized and visible, while the LED strip adds a soft glow that sets the perfect mood. Made of sturdy, easy-to-clean wood with a safe finish, it's built to last. Plus, assembly is simple, so you can enjoy style and function in no time. This sleek shoe cabinet is perfect for keeping your entryway or bedroom tidy. With 3 doors and 2 drawers, it stores up to 24 pairs of shoes while keeping them dust-free and organized. The narrow, vertical design saves floor space, and the top surface is ideal for keys, accessories, or decorative accents. Made from durable, easy-to-clean wood, it's a stylish and practical addition to any home. This 2.4-gallon kitchen compost bin makes keeping your space clean and odor-free effortless. Its tight-fitting lid locks in smells, while the sturdy ABS plastic construction ensures long-lasting use. Designed to hang on cabinet or pantry doors, it saves counter space and makes waste disposal super convenient. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, or even camping, it's a practical, easy-to-clean solution for eco-friendly living. This convertible dining table is a game-changer for small spaces. Its 2-in-1 design lets you switch effortlessly between a stylish dining table and a functional storage shelf. Crafted from mahogany with a sturdy steel frame, it's built to last and can hold plenty of weight while keeping your space organized. Perfect for dining, working, or displaying decor. It's a versatile addition for any living room or kitchen. Bring a soothing ambiance to any room with this flame-inspired air diffuser. Perfect for essential oils, it combines ultrasonic aromatherapy with a gentle mist and 2 brightness settings, creating a calming visual and sensory experience. The auto-off function ensures safety, while its sleek black design fits seamlessly into bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. Elevate your atmosphere and enjoy both scent and style with this compact, modern diffuser. Make late-night feedings and relaxation effortless with this oversized glider rocking chair. Adjustable hug assist armrests, smooth 30-degree rocking, and 270-degree swivel motion ensure comfort for both you and your baby. With a power recliner, footrest, built-in cup holders, charging ports, and side pockets, it's perfect for any nursery or living space. Durable, baby-safe materials keep it practical and stylish. Tired of tangled cords cluttering your desk or nightstand? This magnetic cord organizer keeps all your charging cables, USB wires, HDMI cords, and more neatly in place. Strong adhesive sticks firmly to any smooth surface without leaving residue, while the magnetic lock makes it easy to grab or store cables. Simple, sleek, and perfect for home, office, or even your car. Looking for the ultimate way to unwind at home? This zero-gravity Chaise Lounger molds perfectly to your body, relieving pressure on your spine and joints while boosting circulation. Its high-density foam provides soft support for your head and firmer support for your legs, and the included pillow adds extra comfort. The easy care cover keeps it fresh, making relaxation effortless. Tired of dust and allergens sneaking into your mattress or sofa? This UV mattress vacuum cleaner tackles it all with powerful suction, high-frequency tapping, and 140 degrees Fahrenheit heat to deeply clean and sanitize. The built-in UVC light and ultrasonic waves kill unseen germs, while the HEPA filter traps fine dust and skin flakes. Keep your bedding fresh, healthy, and ready for the best night's sleep. If your books are always piling up, this 4-tier rotating bookshelf tower is here to save the day. With its 360-degree spinning design, every book is easily visible while saving tons of space. Sturdy enough for books, handbags, or decor, it fits perfectly in bedrooms, living rooms, or playrooms. Easy to assemble and stylishly modern, it keeps your space organized without any hassle. Tired of touching messy trash lids? This motion sensor trash can make disposal completely hands-free. Its touchless lid automatically opens and seals, keeping odors contained and maximizing space. Sleek, durable, and USB rechargeable, it fits perfectly in bathrooms, bedrooms, or kitchens. With smart sensors and pet-proof stability, it's a modern, hassle-free upgrade for any home. Transform your bedroom into a personal retreat with this King adjustable bed frame. With head and foot incline options, built-in massage with multiple modes, and zero gravity positioning, it's designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. The wireless remote makes adjustments effortless, while dual USB ports and underbed lighting add modern convenience. Easy to install in minutes, this frame brings luxury and functionality to your sleep space. Tackle heavy lifting without the hassle with this furniture mover tool set. The 11.9-inch lever with a non-slip grip and compact sliders make shifting sofas, fridges, or cabinets effortless while protecting your floors from scratches. Designed for flat surfaces, it supports up to 220 pounds, letting you move bulky items safely and efficiently. A simple, practical solution for rearranging, moving, or home upgrades. Upgrade your bedside setup with this versatile height-adjustable nightstand. The top panel swivels 360 degrees, and the laptop tray adjusts in height, making it perfect for working from bed or the sofa. With lockable wheels, LED lighting, built-in charging ports, and 2 spacious drawers, it's both smart and practical. Crafted from durable FSC certified wood, it's designed for small spaces, dorms, or apartments, keeping everything you need close at hand. Snuggle up in ultimate comfort with this full-size teddy bear bed. Perfect for kids or anyone who loves plush, cozy vibes, this bed transforms bedtime into a fun and cuddly experience. Soft, durable, and irresistibly huggable. It's not just a bed, it's a giant companion ready for relaxation and play. Check it out online and bring home your new fluffy friend. Turn any corner into a cozy retreat with this hanging egg chair. The ergonomic design and thick, breathable cushion hug your body perfectly, making it ideal for reading, napping, or just relaxing. Easy to assemble without tools, it's built with rust-resistant steel and hand-woven wicker, supporting up to 350 pounds. Perfect for patios, bedrooms, or gardens. Unwind and relieve tension with this cordless electric scalp massager. Its 12 flexible prongs gently massage your head, promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and even helping you sleep better. With 3 adjustable modes and a 10-minute auto shutoff, it's easy to use anytime, anywhere. Lightweight, portable, and simple to clean. It's perfect for home or travel. Work, game, or relax in total comfort with this ergonomic reading pillow and lap desk. Padded armrests and a spacious wooden surface support your elbows, wrists, and laptop while reducing strain during long sessions. Lightweight, portable, and featuring side pockets for phones or remotes, it's perfect for bed, couch, or floor use. Easy to clean and gift ready, it's a must-have for any cozy setup. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.